Good morning and welcome to New South Wales Health's COVID-19 update for Friday the 4th of December 2020. New South Wales has recorded one new case of locally acquired COVID-19 in the 24 hours to 8 o'clock last night. The case, a hotel quarantine worker, was publicly disclosed yesterday and is recorded in today's numbers. 5 new cases were reported in overseas travellers, bringing the total number of cases in New South Wales to 4,414 since the start of the pandemic. There were 11,128 tests reported to 8 o'clock last night, compared to 13,306 the day before. New South Wales Health is treating 77 COVID cases, none of whom are in intensive care. The source of this case is in the hotel quarantine worker remains under investigation. The case travelled on a number of train and light rail services between the 27th and 30th of November, including trains between Minto and Lidcombe and Central, and light rail between Central and Capital Square and Central and Convention. Details of routes and times are available on the New South Wales Health website. People who were or may have been in the same carriage as the case are considered close contacts and should immediately test and isolate until further notice. People who travelled on these services and were not in the same carriage should test and self-isolate until a negative result is received. Anyone living in the Minto and Lidcombe areas who is feeling unwell, no matter how mild with the symptoms, is also urged to come forward for testing immediately and isolate until a negative result is received. There are more than 300 COVID-19 testing locations across New South Wales. To find your nearest clinic, visit our website